In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF in an email on Customer.io. This is a handy feature when you want to share documents, guides, or detailed information with your audience through email campaigns. We'll go step by step through this process to make sure it's seamless and efficient for you. First, we need to upload your PDF to the asset library in Customer.io. To get started, navigate to the Content section, and from there, click on Assets. This will take you to the Asset Library, where you'll house various files for use in your email campaigns. Before uploading, ensure that your PDF meets Customer.io's file type and size requirements to prevent any issues. Once you've confirmed your file suitable, proceed to upload it into the library. Next, you'll want to copy the link to your PDF. After the file is successfully uploaded, go to the Asset Library and locate your PDF. Here, hover over your file or click on it to reveal a URL. This URL is crucial because it acts as the bridge between your PDF document and your email content. Highlight and copy this URL. You'll need it for the following steps. Now that you have the URL, it's time to integrate this link into your email message. Head over to your email message editor in Customer.io. In your email, you want to provide a clear and inviting call to action. You can do this by inserting a link or a button that is hyperlinked to your PDF URL. This button or link should be prominently placed and clearly labeled. A simple prompt like "Download the PDF" or something similar can be very effective in guiding your audience to your document. Once your PDF is linked within the email, it's important to preview and test your email. This step is often overlooked and crucial for ensuring that your email renders properly and that the link functions as desired. When you test the email, make sure to click the link yourself to verify that it directs to your PDF and opens correctly. Double-check that your email displays as intended across different devices and email clients because providing a seamless experience for your audience is key to effective communication. And there you have it, a complete and detailed guide to adding a PDF to your emails within Customer.io. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to enrich your email campaigns with valuable, easily accessible documents. So go ahead and implement this in your next email project and watch how it enhances your engagement with your audience. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your email campaigns. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.